Let's style the runway the short way on my 5'2" stature. This week we're taking on the oversized sweater trend spotted across spring-summer 2024 catwalks, such as Loewe, Tove, and Victoria Beckham. Styling oversized sweaters can be tricky, so let's start from hardest to easiest. Thick sweater with a waistband. Pair with a skirt and tuck it in. Pair it with a see-through skirt or flares. If you're working with a V-neck, don't be afraid to follow in Tove's footsteps and do the off-the-shoulder thing. Super oversized sweater. This is a men's double XL. It looks weird as a dress because of the tighter waistband, so let's tuck one side to our bra. Ta-da! And now we've made a sort of bubble hem. And just to be clear, the only reason why this works is because this sweater is a lighter weight knit. Medium weight sweaters with a looser waistband were meant to be worn as a dress. You could pair them with sandals, with low profile sneakers, or better yet, tall boots. You'll find that the lighter weight sweaters with a looser band are by far the most versatile. You can wear them with short skirts, longer skirts, cropped flares, and full flares. Will you be trying out this trend? If so, make sure to tag me. I'd love to see your look. Don't forget, keep it short.